Okay, guys, enough of it chanting. What should I answer if they ask about ALU?
Do you know who you are asking this?
Do you know the teacher who will take our Viva?
No idea.
Check the WhatsApp. Teachers are gonna come.
Dude, मैं तो गया यार.
There's nothing left to do, let's face it.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Speak a bit louder and tell me your name.
Yes, sir. I am Ramesh, sir.
Okay, Ramesh. Looks like you're well prepared for the Viva. I'll not ask any complex questions, okay? Now, tell me about valve theory.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. It plays an important role, sir. It plays a crucial role, sir. And it is an important process, sir. Okay, sir.
Hey, hold on. It plays an important role. It plays a crucial part. It is an important process. All the three mean the same, right? Leave this and tell something else.
Sir.
Hey, why are you doing melodrama? I can see your eyes blinking. So now start answering, you fool. And remember, you are the student of the school where I used to be the principal. So don't trick me.
Sir, okay. Okay, sir. Without this, we can't accomplish a task, sir. Okay, sir. Is it okay, sir?
Only this, after so much melodrama. Wow, rather you haven't said anything, but you did masters in saying the same words. Okay, fine. You may leave. Hey, Kamlesh, why is there a noise of cars honking?
Sir, actually, I am driving a bus now.
Oh. So do you want to give your Viva along with bus conductor?
Sorry, sir. Please excuse me for 30 minutes, sir.
Okay, fine. Join after 30 minutes.
Yeah. What's your name?
Shannu, sir.
Shan. Okay. Shan. All right. What's your favorite subject?
Communication, sir.
Aha. Okay. Fine. Tell me what are the uses of optical fiber?
Sir, there are many uses of optical fiber, and optical fiber has many uses. The uses are many with optical fiber because there are wide ranges of.
Hello. Hello. Stop it. Are you even listening to what he's saying? I asked you to answer, not to repeat the question.
Sir, I was just about to start now.
Oh ho ho ho. What did you do till now? Some ritual ceremony?
Optical fiber is a fiber and it's a very good fiber. Optical fiber uses communication and communication uses optical fiber.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So optical fiber plays a very crucial role in communication. Hence this is optical fiber and its uses.
What are you waiting for? Say hence proved also.
Yes sir, hence proved.
Nice sense of humor you have. Go, your Viva is over. Leave now. Tell me your roll number.
26 sir.
Okay. Leave now.
Sir, how much did I get?
Hey, leave. Okay, next we have is Aryan. Why are you wearing a mask? Take it off.
I have fever and sore throat. I just don't want to take any risk.
Okay, fine. Tell me what is atomic number of oxygen?
8.
Okay, tell me what is chemical name of gold?
Aurum.
Wait, what's that?
Sir, maybe someone from your family?
Okay, fine. What is H2O2?
Hydrogen peroxide?
Nice. You've done well. You may leave now.
Thank you, sir. Thanks for help. I will treat you later.
And you told me something happened to you at the road.
Oh shit! No, sir. So sorry, sir. Sir, please don't cut my marks, sir. Please.
Nah, bhaiya. Don't ask me now. You'll be reporting to the principal.
Don't cut my marks, sir. Please.
How can you even ask him? Just leave, dude. Make sure you actually leave this time.
Hey, Kamlesh, why are the hawkers shouting at your place?
Sir, actually, I am traveling by train now.
What? Did you plan to keep on traveling this entire day?
Sir, I will be free in no time.
What is the use of a capacitor? Why are you hissing like a snake?
No, sir. I just read it a day before. Just a day before.
Okay, then tell me the difference between digital and analog communications.
वाह क्या एक्टिंग कर रहा है.
Now are you blowing on hot tea?
Sir, I read that chapter yesterday. Just yesterday. Sorry, sir, but I don't remember that part. Just that part.
Aha. Now tell me what is Apashampam Kirikiri?
I read it an hour ago, sir. Just an hour ago. But I read the concept, sir, but I'm not recollecting it, sir. I'm not getting the answer.
Hey fool, I have no idea what I just asked you and you saying you read that just an hour ago.
Give me 1 second, sir. I have to go to the washroom. Let me turn off my mic and my video. Who cares what he thinks? Look at me, I am smart. And his name is also stupid. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear.
Sir, tell my marks, sir. It's important, sir.
I'm telling you, if you are here for just one more second, I'll make you book a Tatkal ticket. Next.
This is the reason it is called Newton law enforcement process.
Do you at least know what you said?
I have said correct only, sir.
Hey, why are you yelling like that? Don't I know what is correct and what is wrong?
That's right, you know nothing, sir.
Idiot, are you arguing with me? What is that goodness on your face? I'll ask you 5 questions rapidly. If you're unable to answer, then I'll fail you.
Round 1. Fight.
What is impulsion?
Impulsion is
What is compulsion?
Sir, wait a minute, sir.
What is repression? What is depression? Come on, answer!
Sir, let me explain, sir.
No, you haven't even answered one. Please, you are getting a 0. Next.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is the pre-boarding
Oh, I see.
announcement for Flight 89B to Rome.
Now you will
We are
be
now
boarding a
inviting
plane,
those
right?
passengers with small children and any passengers requiring
Sir,
special assistance
I am really
to
sorry,
begin
sir.
boarding at
Please
this
give me
time.
more time.
Please have your boarding
No,
pass and identification.
that's
Good
impossible.
afternoon, passengers. This
The
is the
entire class
pre-boarding
has given their
announcement for
Bible.
Flight 89B to Rome.
Instead, I have a
We are
better
now
plan for
inviting
you.
those passengers with small children
Either
and
rocket and
any
make it
passengers
to outer
requiring
space.
special assistance
And
to begin
we
boarding
can
at this
discuss
time.
about Viva after
Please
you come
have your
back.
boarding pass and
Sir,
identification
marks?
ready. Regular
Marks?
boarding will begin in
What should I give
approximately
you
10
marks
minutes
for?
time. Thank you.
For traveling. Leave now.
Are you asking me to tell the answers? Hey, what is your problem, brother?
It's coming, Miss Chaya. It's coming.
Hey, what is coming? Is everything fine?
The answer, miss?
Have you been learning Viva or just acting?
Can you please repeat the question?
What did you just say? You forgot the question itself. All right. How does a processor work?
The processor works according to the process. The process of processor is the processing of the process. When a process comes into the processor processes the process and sends according to the process. So the process of the processing, the process is done by the processor. This is the main function of the process of processing.
Stop! Stop! Just stop! All I hear is the word processor but nothing else. I will just ask you another question. What are the different types of diodes? Hey, I'm warning you again. If you know the answer, just tell it. Or else, stop making dosas in air, okay?
The processor works according to the process and
you leave.
Miss, marks?
For what do you need marks? For making wonderful dosas in air. Get out. Next, please. So, roll number 23. Chandu, now it's your turn, okay? I'm gonna ask you about photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis?
Yeah? Photosynthesis. Have you prepared well for the Viva?
Yes, teacher. I try to give my best.
Okay. So let's get started with the first question. What does the word photo in the term photosynthesis mean?
Photo. Photo in the word in photosynthesis basically means I'm extremely sorry, teacher, for this interruption.
It's okay, dear. Now answer my question.
So photo is a word. Photo is a Greek word which basically means light.
Very good. So your next question is, define photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is
जल्दी बोल कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना.
Photosynthesis is a process in which and this is known as photosynthesis.
Hey, repeat your answer. I just couldn't hear you.
Okay, teacher. Photosynthesis is a process in which
Stop it. Mute yourself. What is this sound coming? I'm gonna give you passing marks. Disgusting. Next roll number, please.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Bhavna. You ready for the Viva?
Yes, sir, perfectly.
Nice. Okay, tell me, what is geosatellite and where could it be found?
Sorry, sir, I don't know. Please ask me something else.
Okay, fine. So tell me, what is satellite and what are its application in our day-to-day life?
Sorry, sir, I don't know this also.
I thought you were confident. Why are you not answering a single question?
Sir, in this pandemic period, I could not study properly due to lack of facilities, poor financial condition, as well as my father lost his job. And I don't have a single friend who can help me in studies.
I didn't know you were going through with all this stuff. Should have told me before. I guess someone is at the door. Can you just give me 2 minutes? I'll be back in no time. Yeah, hey. Sorry. So, your father lost his job, you have a financial problem, right?
Yes, sir. True.
Right. So, I have a surprise to tell you that the conversation that we are having right now is being heard by your dad as well. He's in the same call, who lost his job according to you. Good luck. So, you thought you could easily fool me, huh?
Sorry, sir. Extremely sorry, sir. Please help me, sir. I was playing game all night, so I could not study. Kindly forgive me, sir. Please, sir.
Sorry, student, I can't help you. I have my own problems.
Roll number?
36, ma'am.
Have you studied?
Yes, ma'am.
What all have you studied?
Everything, ma'am.
Everything. Okay, then define Hooke's law.
Hooke's law, page 65. Yes. Hooke's law states that the strain in a solid is proportional to the applied stress within the elastic limit of that solid. When the elastic materials are stretched, the atoms and molecules deform until stress is applied. And when the stress is removed, they return to their initial state. Mathematically, Hooke's law.
Okay. Enough. Now say what is voltage sensitivity.
Voltage sensitivity, page 70, right side diagram. Yes, ma'am. Voltage sensitivity is the measure of the responsiveness of an appliance to the transform of applied voltage across it. If the current sensitivity and resistance increase or decrease in the same ratio, there will be no change in voltage sensitivity. The SI unit of voltage sensitivity is?
Seems you have eaten up the book. Go now and send your next roll number. Name the instrument for detecting and measuring small electric current.
Galvanometer, ma'am. No, ma'am, ammeter.
Ammeter. Name a device used for storing electrical energy consisting of two conductors in close proximity and insulated from each other.
Capacitor, ma'am.
Capacitor.
Resistor.
Resistor.
Ma'am, capacitor.
Capacitor.
Ma'am, capacitor.
तुमसे ना हो पाएगा.
Thermaristor. Thermocapacitor.
Yeah. Thermocapacitor. Anything else?
Ma'am, thermoresistor.
Very nice. Roll number?
27, ma'am. 26. Ma'am, marks.
4. No, 7. 5. Leave now. Next.
Hello, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, sir. Can we start?
Yes, ma'am. Why not, ma'am?
Define aerial velocity.
Ma'am, I know what is aerial velocity, but can you explain me, ma'am, how is this useful in our daily life?
Here I ask questions, sir.
I know, ma'am, but don't you think we should study something which is useful in our daily life?
Cut the crap. Do you know the answer or not?
I know.
Okay, tell me. Why electron in an atom does not enter the nucleus?
Ma'am, I know, but electron enters nucleus or not, how is it going to help us in improving our lifestyle?
If you knew the answer, you would know its significance too.
I know, ma'am, but
what do you want me to ask? Please tell me.
I want you to ask something which will help us in our life when we get graduated.
Not when. If graduated. I don't think you will pass the exam. Okay, tell me one thing. Do you play video games?
Yes, ma'am.
Now will you please explain how is it significant to your life?
It helps us to improve our mental health.
You think video games will help you more than learning about electrons and aerial velocity? God help you. Please go.
Can I know my marks, ma'am?
No, you can't, as marks will not be useful in daily life.
Dude, I just checked my WhatsApp. It says teachers are gonna come in 15 minutes to take our Viva.
Who are these people taking our Viva right now? Is this some prank? I don't understand what's going on. Wait. Aren't you all seniors from third year?
I think you have got the gist of what is happening.
Why are you taking our Viva? This is highly inappropriate.
First, let us introduce ourselves. We are from the IT and Discipline Committee.
We look over situations like bullying, cheating, and help everything go organized while an ongoing event, maintaining decorum in college campus and within committees, etc.
This online mode of education has been new to all of us. But since we students have been brought up in this digital age, we can't even imagine the hardships that teachers have to go along.
There are teachers who don't know how to add, remove, mute users, or do anything technically advanced. But they still would have given this much hour of their time to learn from their kids or someone else.
They do this because you can study without any inconvenience.
But here we are, without acknowledging their efforts, making this even tougher for them than it was. We did all of this as a survey to understand what our teachers have to go through and also to make you all understand about their trouble.
If you're traveling, then you're not sincere, so don't give Fiverr. If you're having noise in your place, go to a quieter place beforehand. And if you're impolite or cheating, then you will be suspended. That's how things should be.
We purposefully delayed your teacher's Viva schedule by making up some excuses, but they don't have a clue regarding the situation here.
I hope we are able to give the message. So get ready for your Viva and behave properly. Let them see the better side of you.
We will behave properly now.
Thank you, Bhaiya and Didi.
Don't thank us.
Be thankful to your teachers.
Okay, leave now.
Otherwise, you'll be late for Viva.